Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this trending AI hugging video. So in here, what you need to do is prepare photos like this. You can combine two photos into one using layout or collage using any photo editor that you want. So I've already created mine. And after that, here you can open your browser and then just find for this Pixverse AI. This one, click on the page. Okay, so what you need to do is just sign in. You can log in with Google, Apple ID, or log in with Discord. So for example, in here, I'm going to log in with my Discord. So click on login with Discord. Now you can just click on authorize, and now it will be open. But since at the top right here there will be notifications because there are so many users use this Pixverse, so generating process might take a little bit longer. So just let's try to upload the photo that you prepare. Okay, and then you can just type in here, for example, hugging each other. Enter the prompt and now click on generate. So let's just wait until the result come out. But if the server is busy, that you can just try it again and again. Okay, so now the processing is finished. You can view the result. It will go like this. So this is how you can create the trending hugging video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.